Congratulations, sir, for successful completion of the journey of FC21. And I would like to know what you got out of the participation from FC21 program.
I'll be very, and my feedback doesn't change from what I gave last time. For uh, two things, and one is that it has been an eye opener in terms of there are a lot of things that we thought we knew, but we did not know. Number one. So it has opened our eyes to various gaps that existed in this system. Number one. Okay. Number two, the importance of financial processes, particularly related to cash flow.
Right. And what were the main problems you were dealing before joining FC21?
We did not have a structure, of putting this thought in our minds. These are an important element of an overall business, the elements of business. It's a critical portion. How does various, spokes of businesses emanate from this core?
Right.
Is something that we were able to identify. हम इन्वेंट्री की बात तो बहुत करते हैं, पर इन्वेंट्री का इम्पैक्ट क्या होता है हमारे फाइनेंशियल्स पे, उसकी हमने समझी. कैश फ्लो क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्रेडिटेड डेटर्स की हमारी पेमेंट टर्म्स डिफाइन करने की क्यों इम्पोर्टेंस है, वो वेंडर क्लासिफिकेशन, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ वेंडर्स की हमारे डेटर्स हैं वो किस कैटेगरी के हैं, किनसे हम पहले कलेक्ट करें, किससे बाद में करें, क्या किसको हम लीवरेज दे सकते हैं, वो एक इम्पोर्टेंट चीज.
Thank you so much. And do you think, sir, more and more business owners and companies should do this program, and why?
It will be an eye opener. प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि जब आप बिजनेस करते हैं तो आपको लगता है कि आपको सब चीज पता है. सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम, एंड दैट्स आई थिंक इज द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट फॉर ऑल योर प्रॉब्लम्स. The day you believe that you know everything about the business is where the problem. Every day is a learning experience, and FC21 puts a structure to that learning experience.
Right.
And that is very important.
Right. Thank you, Asit sir. Thank you, Arun sir. Thank you so much.